If you're wondering how to use Monday.com for compliance tracking, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up your account, track compliance, and make the most out of Monday.com's features, but stick around till the end. I'll be revealing an even better alternative for your compliance needs. First off, Monday.com is a great tool for organizing projects, but its compliance tracking features can be a bit tricky to set up if you're new to it. You'll need to create a clear structure to keep track of deadlines, documents, and key tasks related to compliance standards. So, let's jump in. Next thing you'll want to do is create a new board specifically for your compliance tracking. In Monday.com, boards are essentially project spaces where you can organize tasks. For compliance, this means setting up a board with columns for each compliance requirement, like deadlines, responsible parties, and status. Use color coding to visually track the progress of tasks, so you always know where things stand. The third thing is setting up automation. Monday.com offers a range of automation features like automatic reminders, task assignments, and notifications when deadlines are approaching. This ensures you don't miss any important compliance tasks. Automations also make sure your team is always in the loop, especially when changes need to be made or approvals are needed. Next, you'll need to use Monday.com's document management features. Compliance tracking often involves a lot of paperwork, whether it's policy documents, training materials, or audit logs. You can upload these documents directly into your boards so your team can access them easily. It's important to organize them well and make sure they're tied to specific tasks or deadlines so they stay relevant. The fifth thing to consider is integrations. Monday.com integrates with a lot of popular software like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. This can be a game changer for compliance tracking, as you'll be able to pull in data from other tools and keep everything within one platform. This helps streamline your process and reduce errors. Now, let's talk about reporting. One of the most important aspects of compliance is being able to show that you're meeting regulations. Monday.com has robust reporting tools, allowing you to generate reports based on tasks, deadlines, and overall progress. You can even set up custom dashboards to monitor the compliance metrics that matter most to you. But here's where Monday.com might not be the perfect fit. While it offers great features, its setup can be a bit complex, especially when dealing with multiple compliance frameworks. And while automation is helpful, there might be times when its flexibility falls short. So, what's the alternative? If you're serious about compliance tracking, I recommend checking out Competitor Name, which not only gives you advanced compliance tracking features right out of the box, but it's designed with regulatory requirements in mind. It's more tailored for compliance teams, has a user-friendly interface, and offers greater customization. Now, before you go, I've got a special offer. Through our exclusive link, you'll get an extended free trial of Competitor Name and some amazing benefits that you won't find anywhere else. If you're serious about compliance, this is definitely something you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link for the best deal on your compliance tracking software.